Of the 150 apartments in building M, 24% have at least 3 bedrooms. If building M is representative of the 1350 apartment buildings in city Z, then approximately how many apartments in city Z have fewer than 3 bedrooms? Here, our first aim is to get the total number of apartments in city Z, and then we have to find the apartments in city Z which have fewer than 3 bedrooms. Okay, let's consider the first piece of information we have over here. That is, in building M, we have 150 apartments in which 24% have at least 3 bedrooms. Now, to get the number of apartments in these 150 apartments which have at least 3 bedrooms, we have to multiply the given percentage 24 and the number of apartments 150. That is 24% times 150. That is equal to, we can convert this one to decimal, then we get 0.24 times 150. Okay, here when I multiply these two numbers, I'm getting 36. In this 150 apartments, there are 36 apartments which have at least 3 bedrooms. Now let me subtract this 36 from the total number of apartments in building M. That is 150 negative 36. I am getting 114. Already we know that there are 36 apartments in building M which have at least 3 bedrooms. What about the remaining apartments? In the remaining 114 apartments, we have fewer than 3 bedrooms. Now, to get the fraction of apartments which has fewer than 3 bedrooms, we have to divide the number of apartments which have fewer than 3 bedrooms divided by the total number of apartments in building M, that is 150. So this is a fraction of apartments in building M which has fewer than 3 bedrooms. Now, let's find the total number of apartments in city Z. For that, we have to multiply the number of buildings and number of apartments in each building. We know that there are 1350 buildings in city Z, and we don't have any information about the number of apartments in each building. Since building M is a representative of city Z, we can use this 150 apartments as number of apartments in each building of city Z. Okay, now to get the total number of apartments in city Z, we have to multiply the number of buildings 1350 and the number of apartments in each building, that is 150. Let me multiply. So 1350, the total number of buildings in city Z by number of apartments in each building, that is 150 according to our assumption. Okay, so this represents the total number of apartments in city Z. Let me write the stuff over here. Total number of apartments in city Z. Okay, now in this total number of apartments in city Z, to get the number of apartments which have fewer than 3 bedrooms, we have to multiply the total number of apartments by the fraction of apartments which has fewer than 3 bedrooms. Let me multiply the total number of apartments in city Z times the fraction of apartments which has fewer than 3 bedrooms. 114 over 150 is 150 will cancel out. When I multiply these two numbers, I am getting 153,900. That is, in 153,900 apartments in city Z, we have fewer than 3 bedrooms. When I go over the answer choices, the value we have in answer choice C is very close to this one. So approximately 154,000 apartments in city Z have fewer than 3 bedrooms. The correct answer choice for this question is C.